Okay, don't touch it, okay? We're gonna have to do this the smart way. Don't touch it. What? What happened? Yeah. Okay, but what happened to your hair? Slime? You got slime in your hair? Yeah. How did you do that? It was all fun and games until you got it in your hair, huh? Yeah, now we're gonna have to learn how to get it out. Daddy's YouTubing how to get it out of your hair. Ava! Why did you get slime in your hair? Yeah, slime in your hair. What's your name?
Ava.
And how old are you?
1.
Uh-huh. And why did you get slime in your hair? Yeah. How are we going to get the slime out of your hair? Mama's going to get it out?
Yeah.
What if Mama doesn't know how to get it out? I've never gotten slime in my hair. You were doing so good until you stretched it out over your head. Let me see. Oh no, honey, it's going to hurt. I can't. We got to get it out somehow. Well, are you having fun playing with your slime?
Yeah. No shame.
Huh?
No shame.
You're still having fun with your slime, even though it's all over your hair? I need to show you what you look like. Hold on, let me go get a mirror. Okay, look. This is what you look like. That's what you look like with slime in your hair. Baby, I'm so sorry. It's the pregnant hormones. Chris is getting mad because I'm laughing so much.
I'm not getting mad. I just feel bad.
I can't stop laughing. It's because she knows what she did. Don't worry, we're gonna get it out, okay? We're gonna get it out. Let me see.
It's everywhere.
Let me see, baby.
It looks like she's a pilgrim with 2 little curls. Look.
It's the pregnant hormones. I'm sorry, guys. Ava, do you love slime? Yeah, you still love it? Yeah. You just don't want it in your hair, huh? We're gonna get it out, okay? Lather it up, baby. Lather it up. Is it working? Oh gosh.
It's all up in her hair.
It'll come out. It's gonna come out, right, Ava?
Yeah. Eat candy.
Eat candy? Yeah, you're eating candy. Okay, guys, so after a long time of me being in the tub with her, trying to get it out of her hair, and a lot of candy, we finally got it out. What are you eating? What are you eating? Candy? Is it good?
Yeah.
And what did we learn about slime?
Nothing. We're gonna play with it right after this.
Not to put it in your hair.
Now she's just in candy bliss right now. Yeah, you love slime, huh?
Yeah.
You got the slime in your hair? Yeah, we're not gonna do that anymore, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, Facebook. Say hi, Instagram. I love you.
I'm all clean. Tell Mama.
You're all clean, baby?
Look. Say no slime, no.
No shame. No.
No slime, no. Are you still gonna play with slime?
Yeah.
You still wanna play with